Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let's say you have the workout already going on your watch and you want to stop it. To do it, you need to... Okay, shush. So to stop the workout you need to press the crown button. It will open the pause menu and here you should see this stop button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and you will hear the broadcast that the workout ended. It should bring you back to the workout menu. Then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.